Why don't we both pick up the front and just move it over there? Let's both pick up the front and get over this tree root to get it away from the rock. That's the first thing. The front's light.
Jesus, why did we come up this rock? We don't have four-wheel drive.
Dude, yo.
That thing is awesome.
Dude, now you know why I have it.
Alright, hold the front brake.
Is this the brake? Oh, whatever. Give me one. Oh, yeah.
Ready? Oh, hold on. Wedged.
Oh, yeah, look, you're wedged in the tree. Look. Forward?
Yeah.
Shit. We need some more manpower. It's wet.
Hold on. We need a bar.
We're wedged over here. Wedged. We need some manpower.
Ready?
Hang on, I'll get my glove.
There we go. I don't know if it's in gear.
It ain't gonna, if it rolls, it's just gonna stop against a rock anyway. It ain't gonna go too far. Turn around. Off brake. Brake. You got the brake?
Yeah, the clutch in. It's in gear.
Bro, did you see me go up it?
We came back down the trail we did. It's sitting on the blue on the rocks. It's weird shit.
Huh?
The blue from our skid plate was on the rocks. What's this?
Dude, did you see me go up it?
Yeah.
Bro, the fucking quad was completely sideways, man.
That's
That thing
crazy.
is awesome.
This shit fucked me up. Stood me up, tripping. Go look at the blue.
He got wedged between the rock and the tree limb. That's how he got stuck
I
in the
never
roots.
went up this hill. This hill, this isn't really. I should never did it, but
Is this the hill?
let's forget about the hill.
This is a different hill?
Alright, let's move on. You
No,
gotta
no,
come
no,
down
I'm
there,
saying
we gotta meet you another way.
whatever that guy was talking about.
That's a different one.
Fuck that hill. Don't worry about the hill.
These things can't make it up these things.
This is some other shit, man.
This is four-wheel drive shit.
So this, yeah.
So
So
four-wheel drive quad.
can you get down this box?
Yeah. I'd rather have him out of the way first. Cause I'm just gonna go barreling coming down, you know.
I'm gonna lift it.
Or we can just pick up the back, swing around. The back is lighter.
Wow. Yeah, but then it's gonna be harder.
You think?
Yeah.
Well, why don't we swing the back a little bit, then a little bit the front? Since the back is lighter. All right. There we go.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, fuck. This is where you get your workout.
Yep. Alright.
There we go.
All right. Clear. Get your quad off, and then I'll come down.
No, take that helmet off. Cool down for a second. We'll come down.
Sweating like a pig.